Hi, I'm Abdul Rahim, and today I'm going to talk about affiliate marketing. Why? Because it's something I've been doing for a while, and it's something that is good for somebody who's just starting out online. It's an easy way to get started. Why? Because it's simple. All you have to do is promote somebody else's product and you get a cut. Now that is nice. The thing is now, once you get your affiliate link, the thing is to get it out there. And there's several different ways to get it out there. One of the best ways is Facebook advertising. Facebook advertising is huge because you can reach a lot of people. You just have to learn how to do it, and it's probably one of the best ways to get your message across. Yeah, Facebook advertising is a great way to get your links out there because Facebook targeting is so precise. They've got database and everything. They know everything you do. We give them all the information, and you can really reach a lot of people. I think they said Facebook have about 1 billion regular users or more. I don't know the exact figures, but you have a large reach. That is my number one recommendation. Now, my second source of traffic would be YouTube. YouTube ads. Because we are visual people, and YouTube has a huge range. People go on YouTube to find out about all sorts of things. So if you can get your message across on YouTube, and advertise on YouTube, I'm sure you'll get a lot of people coming to your links. If done right. Another traffic source I'd like to talk about is search engine optimization. Why? Because if you can get your website on page 1 of Google, you definitely will get a lot of people coming to your links. Search engine optimization, it can seem complicated, but the basics are very simple. But you will need to learn how the advanced techniques to be able to get yourself on page 1. Because if you're on page 2, nobody's coming there. You got to be. If you're in the first few searches that come up, you definitely will get a lot of people coming to your links. So that's another way of getting traffic to your links. Now, the next traffic source I'll talk about is social media. Social media marketing. This is big, because with sites such as Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, you can develop a big following. People who like you and follow you on these platforms. You can influence them to go to your website, to go into your email list. This is a big source. It's something you have to learn. But it's a way to get a lot of people. A big following. People become your fans, and you definitely is one of a very good way to get people to market very cheaply, because it's not going to cost you anything. You just have to be constant with it. That's a big source to get very cheap traffic to your website. The next thing I want to talk to you about is solar ads. You got what it is. You pay somebody to send an email to their list that could take them back to your website and maybe build your list. And that's how it works. It's very easy way to get started as a beginner, because it's very easy. All you have to do is pay somebody to send an email to their list and promote your product. That's basically what it is. Yes. Another traffic source I'm going to talk about is influencer marketing. You know, on these big social media websites, what you have is these big influencers who have a big following. You know, you can always buy a post from them that promote your website. It's a very simple way to get traffic. I don't think a lot of people is doing this, but it's a big way to get a lot of eyeballs on your site, you know, by buying a post from one of these influencers, because there's Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, you know, these are all big platforms with big influencers. So, you know, you can always buy a post from them to get links back to your website. Another great way to get traffic to your website is Google Display Network. It's a traffic source that you add up. When you go on different websites, you see these display ads, Google ads. This is what it is. You know, it's a lot more. It's less expensive than the Google ads itself. But the display network is a very good source to get a lot of traffic to your site, and it's not over expensive. All you have to do is try and find one or two of these traffic sources and try to become a master of it. You know, being a master, you can't be a jack of all trades. You know, you want to be a master of one. So just try and master one or two of these traffic sources, and I'm sure you'll be a success at affiliate marketing. I've given you a few traffic sources that you could use to build your affiliate business. You know, if you get any benefit from what I've been trying to say, give me a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel. And there's a link below where you can find out about mentorship. Thank you.